Hello everyone, friends. On the Valor channel today, I'll show you how to record your laptop screen. To do this, I'm using Start, and here I'll just go to the Microsoft Store. Right, and here I'll simply type in screen recorder, like this, see? And here you can, of course, use OBS. It's the simplest and overall best program, which, by the way, I'm using right now to record this video. There. But I can also show you other more basic programs. They're usually all good. So I'll choose this one, for example. Here it's downloaded. I'll click open. There. And now I have this simple screen recorder. So now you can record the screen. Here you can select the full screen. You can choose which specific part of the screen to record. Right. Let's say this one. There. Yes. And then we click on, well, we can close this. There. And we click on record. Yes, so we click on record. There. So we started recording, then I stopped it, and here's our file. You can find it in the folder. There. This is the simplest program for regular users who don't need anything special. Right. For more complex recordings, you should consider using OBS Studio. Here we have everything. Right? I'm showing you right now. Here we have many settings. We add screen capture, display capture, audio output capture, and a webcam if you need one. Well, I need it, and I have it set up now. There. And the microphone. And here we click start recording. That's it, that's all. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.